These are all 4-speed big block Barracudas. This is going to be this Saturday, Denver, Colorado, Soneff Master Garage Collection Auction. It's starting at 10 o'clock. Gates open at 8 a.m. And that's this Saturday, rain or shine, guys. These are all selling to the highest bidder. Have you ever seen this many Barracudas? Okay, maybe I have, but not Formula S big block stuff. This one here is a California car, 340, 4-speed, runs great. Same with this one, beautiful car. This gold one here really runs great. Oh my gosh, awesome. This one here, that's an original with the rust, does run and drive, but battery's dead. Same with over here on this one, another big block one, needs a battery. These are great cars. This one here is an original California car, 383 4-speed car. This is original paint. It was in a museum, and they drained the fluids and then put it back. But beautiful, beautiful Formula S. Same one there. So make sure to go. If you can't be in person, this is live on site with online bidding. If you can't be there, bid online, but go to the catalog, vanderbrinkauctions.com, or we'll see you in Denver this Saturday, June 10th, 2023, 10 a.m. We've been moving cars. If you're looking to have a sale, we want to work with you. Go to vanderbrinkauctions.com or give me a call, 605-201-7005. Plymouth Muscle right here, guys. See you at the auction.